I was asked to write some music for a Korean company. And they said, hey Brett, we like your music. We would like you to write songs to teach Korean children how to speak English. And I said, why not? And they were like, we need you to track it, we need you to do everything yourself, we'll give you $50. And I said, I don't have a job, why not? So I said, can I do anything? And they're like, yeah, have a blast. So I did this. 1, 2, 3, 4! We wish it was cheerier. So I was like, oh god, okay, what do you want? Because I was thinking like Yo Gabba Gabba, like that kind of stuff. Like, it's fun, yay! I was thinking kids will, ooh, I work for a kids company, they like things that pop. And they're like, we need a rewrite. Something awful. And I was like, okay. So I sat down and I said, fuckers want something? I'll give you something more kid-friendly. So I did this. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. Princess Pam goes to a picnic. She wants to play with puppies. Let's play hide and seek, says Pam. 1